In the second part, I am going to demonstrate how to make your recorded videos accessible to the students on Lurningo platform. For this purpose, go to srivasaviengineering.tgversity.com webpage and log in with your details. And in the home page, select Live Sessions Pharmacy. There you can see live sessions for faculty, live sessions for UG students, recorded videos for UG students, recorded videos for PG students, and finally live sessions for PG students. And these two are the areas, that is recorded videos for UG students and recorded videos for PG students, are the areas where you need to give information about your videos. If you are going to the UG sections, you use this particular window. If you are going for the PG sections, you use this particular section. Now I am going to demonstrate now how to add a video to the PG section, recorded videos for PG students. So for this purpose, as usual, go to the settings, turn editing on, then come to your respective area, that is recorded video section. As I am concentrating on PG section, I'll go to the recorded videos for PG students. Go down where you can see add an activity or a resource option. Click that. So you can have a pop-up window asking you to add an activity or resource. So you need to add a resource here. That is what you are adding a URL. It comes under resource. Select that URL, then add. Now you have to give the name of the topic. So what is the name you should give? Simply give your subject, that is bad class, when it was taken, on the date, and at which time. That's sufficient. And the second part, the second column, you need to enter the URL link. So where to get this URL link? We've already discussed this will be available in the inbox of your trainer email ID. So where you can see two URL links, one is exclusively for the host and the second one is for the sharing purpose. You select the URL which is meant for sharing, select it and right click. Then you can see an option like copy link address, copy that and simply paste here. Now go to the description, because the student may not be knowing what topic was dealt on a particular day or a particular time. So you need to give information about the particular video. Now I am giving the topic name here, what was dealt on this particular day and particular time. Ethics of animal research. And by whom it was delivered. The faculty name for each identification of the students, identification by the students, and to whom it was given. 1 by 2 M.Pharm students who belong to second semester. As it is a specialized subject, you can give analysis. Now ethics of animal research by so and so faculty to first year M.Pharmacy second semester analysis students. That's sufficient. Then the most important thing is you need to give the password, because without password you cannot access this. Then where you get this password? The same mail. Carefully copy that, because even the dots and hyphens are very important for this. You have just pasted here. You can add markup to this, change font size, color if you are willing. Then this is very important. You have to display the same thing on the code space, because if you are not clicking this, students will not be able to see that. Then the next part is appearance. go to this part. So by default you can have an embedded thing, but we are facing some problem with embedded things because you need to have a strong net here to access in this particular mode. So we face a certain network issues whenever we are selecting this particular mode. So what I suggest you is go to the section and click on open. This is comparatively working good. So on the display board, appearance, under appearance you can have display, then select it as open, and you can leave these two alike. Then you can give restriction access. You restrict it to a particular group. I am restricting it only to the PG students. Then you need to have activity completion on and save and return to the course. Now you can see here. So bad class on 20th May at 9:15 a.m. Ethics of animal research and so on and so. Password is also displayed here. So this is how you can add an URL, or a video to your students so that they can easily access them. Now I am going to demonstrate the same thing by taking a student ID. I'm simply turning it off and I am logging out from the faculty. Then now I am logging in using a student ID. Now I have entered here. This is the home page of a particular student who belong to PG, and we can go to live session pharmacy to check whether it is working or not. Go to the recorded videos. We cannot go to the UG students because she is a PG student. She will directly go to the PG students category. There she can see bad class on 20th May 9:15 a.m. Now she can simply click on this and she will go to the other page. So here you can see it is asking for the password. So without password she cannot access the record. So before going to this, she need to copy the password first. Copy. Then paste. Now she can see. Now she can see her recorded video. So in this way, we can make our videos accessible to the students. Hope this helps you. Because the Thank you.